April showers brings May flowers, guys. Gosh almighty, it's a lot of nasty thundering going on. A lot of nasty thundering. Oops. There's the two monsters. Senior and Junior. Senior and Junior. Yep. Alex. What you rattling? Shake, rattle, and roll, baby. Yes, indeed. Wow. I've been cleaning like crazy trying to get stuff ready to have a yard sale. Not cool. I see my big wind chime. Got a love-hate relationship with my big throw rope here. Yes, I do. My wind chime is so heavy it takes a heck of a breeze to make that thing blow. Goodness gracious. You hear that? I love sitting out under my shrub oak late at night. Cool breeze, all alone. And it's nice and quiet without the monsters. So much for the yard sale. And I've been busting my butt trying to get it, cleaning out closets. This time the charity yard sale is for my house. Yeah, I got a big bucket in my hallway. My roof is still leaking. $7,500 I paid that jerk. Yep. Only in Mama T's world, guys. Well, y'all have a wonderful day, because here in the Panhandle of Florida, it's going to be a stormy, loud, thundering day. Wish I had a tin roof. I'd sleep really good tonight. Okay, guys, here it comes. I'm going back in the house. Alex? Say bye, YouTubers. Say bye, YouTubers. Wonderful day. Mama T loves you. Say my Mama T loves you. Yes, she does. Gotta go let my dogs in.